Here's G major. We start off by placing finger number 3, this one, on fret number 3 of the first string. So that's the thinnest, so fret 1, fret 2, fret 3, and place that down. Our next finger will be finger 1, but we need to skip quite a lot of strings. We would skip string 2, string 3, and string 4, and it won't be until string 5, fret 2, that we would place that finger down. So it will be a case of just counting those strings. So that's string 2, string 3, string 4, string 5. Lastly, we've got finger 2, and it's going to go on the 3rd fret of the thick string. You can strum all the strings with this chord. Sounds great. I would say when I'm teaching complete beginners, G major is probably the most challenging chord, so I often leave that till last. It's really stretchy, that's why I really feel like you have to stretch your fingers out. So if you're finding it tough to get there, I think everybody who learns G first finds it really tough. Just persevere, your hand will become more flexible, practice little and often, and you'll get there.